Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to download, install Microsoft Office LTSC Professional Plus 2024 version. This version is perfect for those who want to test new features before the official release. LTSC stands for Long-Term Servicing Channel, a version made for businesses that prefer a one-time perpetual license instead of the subscription-based Microsoft 365. So, if you are looking for a stable Office, this is for you. Before following the rest of this video, uninstall any existing Microsoft Office version from your system. That includes trial versions, expired subscriptions, or older Office suites. To do that, open your Start menu and search Add or Remove Programs. Find Microsoft Office, click it, then uninstall. As you can see, all files are getting removed that were linked to Microsoft Office software. As now you can see here, it has successfully removed all the applications of the previous Microsoft Office version. So we will close it from here. Once it is completely removed, you can restart your PC. This is important. If you skip this step, the new installation might fail or still ask for a license. After that, you are good to go. Follow along as I walk you step by step through installing Microsoft Office 2024 LTSC completely free and ready to use. Let's get started. Step 1. Set up a new folder. In the taskbar, search for File Explorer, open C drive, right-click and create a new folder named as MS Office. Step 2. Download Office Deployment Tool. Open your favorite browser and search Office Deployment Tool. Click the official Microsoft link. You will get this link in the video description. Select your language, download. You have to click on Download Unverified File and run this tool. Click here to accept the license terms, continue, and choose the MS Office folder in the C drive that we have created recently. File is extracted successfully. Click OK to finish. Step 3. Customize Office installation. Now, search Office Customization tool in your browser. Open the Office Customization tool, which is Microsoft official website. You will get its link too in the video description. In the Office Customization tool, Deployment Setting, select your system architecture. Get help through your system properties. My machine is of 64-bit operating system. Select Office Suites as LTSC Professional Plus 2024 Volume License. Choose the apps you want, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, etc. Hit Next. Pick your language preference like English US. Hit Next. Again hit Next. Click Next until you reach the Finish button. Click on Export and choose Open Office XML formats. Click OK. Now here you have to click Accept the license terms and let the file name same as configuration and then click on Export. Again you have to click on Download Unverified File and it will download in the download folder. Step 4. Prepare installation files. Cut the downloaded file here, configuration.xml. Paste it into the C drive where MS Office was installed. Delete any old configuration file if it is there. Step 5. Run installation via command prompt. Copy the address bar path of the Office folder in the C drive. Open the Start menu and type CMD and run it as an administrator. Click on Yes. In CMD, type CD space, paste the path that I have copied and hit Enter. It will redirect you to that MS Office folder. Replace with your actual path if different. Now run the following command that I have provided you in the description. After entering the command, hit Enter. Sit back and wait while Office 2024 installs. You can notice here the apps that we selected are only going to install in our system. Once it is done, we can see that Office has now been installed. To check this, search for any Office app like Excel, Word, PowerPoint, boom, congratulations, Office 2024 LTSC is now installed on your PC. That's it. All useful links and commands are in the video description. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech hows to. Thanks for watching.